Good morning, students. Today, I am going to start a new video for class 7 Geography, chapter number 4, that is the weathering and the soil formation, and the topic the rocks and their types. We have written here some important points, that is the rocks, minerals, ores, lava, magma, igneous rock, sedimentary rocks and the metamorphic rock. We will discuss all the points by one. Okay. So first of all, what is rocks? What is rocks? The rocks are the solid particles. Rocks are the solid particles that it is the rocks are the solid particles of the earth surface. Means the upper part we are looking on the earth crust is the rock. The solid particle under the earth surface or on the earth surface, everything is rock. And then what is the minerals? Minerals are the chemical substance. Minerals are the chemical substance by which rocks are formed. जिस केमिकल सब्सटेंस से रॉक्स का फॉर्मेशन होता है उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? मिनरल्स बोलते हैं. And the minerals may be a single compound, single element, and more than this is the compound of the different elements. Means minerals may be single element or compound. Okay. Now, what is the ore? Ore means a rock in which the particular type of elements, particular type of metals can be obtained. The rock from which the particular types of metals or elements can be extracted is known as the ore. For example, the ore of the iron, the ore of the aluminium. You know the ore of the aluminium is known as bauxite, and the ore of the iron is known as hematite. These are the terms: ore, rocks, minerals. Means, students, these three terms are related to each other. So learn it carefully, understand it carefully. Rocks are the substance. Rocks are the particles from which the crust is formed. Means the upper part of the crust is made up of the rocks, you can say, and the chemical substance from which the rocks are formed is called known as minerals, and the rocks from which the minerals can be obtained, metals can be obtained, or other elements can be obtained is known as the ore. Okay. Now what is the magma and what is the lava? All the substances under the earth surface in the molten state, you know, in the previous video we have learned about the crust, mantle and the core. In the mantle, the minerals or the substance under the earth surface are in the molten state, and this molten state is known as magma. The molten part under the earth surface, molten substance under the earth surface is known as magma, and when the magma comes on the earth surface, then it is known as lava. Means both are the same. Magma and lava both are the same, but when this is lie in the earth surface, this is magma, and when they comes out the earth surface, this come out on the earth surface, then it is known as lava. Next one is the igneous rock. Igneous rock. Igneous rock. This rock is known as primary rock. This is known as primary rock. Why we call it primary rock? Because this is the first rock which appears on the earth surface. Actually, you know, when the magma, when the liquids, when the molten substance comes on the Earth's surface due to the volcanoes, earthquake, landslide, anything. By the any process, when the magma comes on the Earth's surface, it spread on the Earth's surface, and this time is a very hot. But after the sometimes, after the some days, after some months, after some years, the cools. Magma start cooling. When they cool, it form a hard substance known as rock, and this type of rock is known as igneous rock. This type of rock is known as igneous rock. And the igneous rock, this word gives the meaning of igneous rock, that is made up of from the fire. जो आग से बना हुआ है, फायर से बना हुआ है, इट इज नोन एज igneous rock because this is formed by the very high cold high hot magma. So this is known as igneous rock, and this is also known as primary rock. Okay, now next one is there are the two types of igneous rock, that is intrusive and extrusive. What is the intrusive igneous rock and the extrusive igneous rock? Intrusive igneous rock means the rocks which is formed by the magma when the magma is when the magma cools under the earth. Means a earth surface, this is the earth surface, and there is a magma chamber. When the magma start to come out from the earth, earth surface, but for any region it cools in this region, means it cools under the earth surface. It not comes out the earth and cools under the earth surface, and this type of igneous rock is known as intrusive igneous rock. And the example of igneous rock, intrusive igneous rocks are granite and dolerite. Granite and dolerite means granite and dolerite are the two rocks made by the intrusive type, made up of the, and this is the igneous rock, but this is formed by this method, intrusive igneous rock. Next one is the extrusive igneous rock. When the magma comes out the earth surface and form the rock, this is known as the extrusive igneous rock. And the extrusive igneous rock examples are basalt rock, basalt, and this is the extrusive igneous rock. What is the difference between the intrusive and the extrusive? The grains of this intrusive igneous rock are larger than this. Means they form large grains. And they have tiny and fine grains. Okay. Now, what are the properties? What are the characteristics? Let's see. The characteristics of igneous rock are: the rocks are firmly packed together, means they are very hard. They are very hard because the particles of the igneous rock are very closely packed due to because it is made up of the magma by the liquids. मीन्स दिस इज अ मोल्टेन स्टेट, ये मोल्टेन स्टेट से बना हुआ है, इस कारण से इसके पार्टिकल के बीच में गैप नहीं होता है, इस कारण से क्या होता है, काफी हार्ड होता है, मीन्स दे आर वेरी हार्ड, मीन्स देयर इज नो there is no any remains of living beings, means there is no any fossils, there is no any fossils under the igneous rock, because when the fossils, when the living beings or small animals or small plant comes under this magma, it burns, it melts. So there is no any fossils. Next one, they did not occur in the layers. Means there is no layers between the there is no layers in the igneous rocks, and the valuable minerals like gold, silver, and aluminiums are found in these rocks. Means in this igneous rock there are the many valuable minerals are found, because this magma it comes from the earth surface, and you know the valuable substance, the heaviest substance, the heavy element which found in the interior of the earth. Okay. Next, they are primary rocks. Other type of rocks are found from by. Means due to from the igneous rock, all the other rocks are formed like sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Both are formed by the igneous rock. Okay. The next topic is the sedimentary rocks. Next topic is sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks, when the rocks crack, hit each other, they are broken down into their small fragments called sediments. When the igneous rock falls, hits together, cracks, then it breaks down into the small pieces, and these pieces, the small particles, known as sediments, and from which just after when it broke down into the smaller pieces, due to the air, water, and other transporting agents, it again blows, it again transported to another part, uh, and it form in by the layer by layer. Then after the millions of the year, this layer are again sedimented, and after the millions of the year, due to the high pressure, and it forms a very hard rock. This is known as the sedimentary rock. Means इस जो इग्नियस रॉक है, वो इग्नियस रॉक क्या हुआ, टूटा, टूटने के बाद वह किसी वाटर के द्वारा, विंड के द्वारा, या फिर किसी अदर दूसरे एजेंट के द्वारा क्या हुआ, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले गया, ले जाने के बाद क्या हुआ, दिस फॉर्म अ लेयर्स ऑफ द पार्टिकल, धीरे धीरे लेयर बना, लेयर बनने के बाद मीन्स ड्यू टू द हाई प्रेशर, जब ये एक दूसरे के ऊपर लेयर बाय लेयर बनेगा, प्रेशर बढ़ता जाएगा, और ड्यू टू द हाई प्रेशर इट sedimented means cemented and form a hard rock. This is known as sedimentary rocks, and sedimentary rocks are the sandstone, you can say salt or coal. These all are the sedimentary rocks, and these sedimentary rocks is also known as stratified rocks. Stratified rocks, strata. This word comes from the strata. Strata means the layer. Means, and these rocks are found in the layer. So this is known as stratified rocks. Okay. Now, coal, petroleum, all are found in this sedimentary rocks. Means they found under the sedimentary rocks. The characteristic of sedimentary rocks are they are not hard as much as the igneous rock. Their rocks are mostly formed under the water and carry marks of the waves and the mud crack. Sedimentary rocks have horizontal layers arranged one after one. These rocks contain fossils which help us to calculate the age of the rock. Means these sedimentary rocks are not ये इतना हार्ड नहीं होता है जितना कि igneous rock होता है और इसको हम स्टेरिफाइड रॉक्स भी कहते हैं कि लेयर में होता है और जितने फॉसिल फ्यूल है सारे के सारे इसी लेयर में मिलते हैं इसी सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स के अंदर में आते हैं और सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स जो है जनरली वो आपको सी बेड से मिलेगा। सी बेड के अंदर सी के किनारे जब जाएंगे तो दिखेंगे कि लेयर के ऊपर मींस लेयर के ऊपर लेयर क्या हो जाता है वो बनते जाता है इसको sedimentary rocks कहते हैं। Metamorphic rocks are the rocks. Next one is the metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed by the igneous rock and the sedimentary rock. Due to the change in the temperature, pressure, etc., the properties of the appearance and the properties, the colors of the sedimentary rocks and igneous rock change, and it looks a new rock that is known as the metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks, due to the change in the color, texture, hardness, and the mineral composition, it gets changed due to the extensive heat and pressure. The examples of the metamorphic rocks are gneiss, graphite, quartzite, marble. These are the example of the metamorphic rock, and this gneiss is formed by the ग्रेनाइट से नील बन गया। उसके बाद कोल से ग्रेफाइट बन गया और सैंडस्टोन से क्वार्ट्जाइट बन गया एंड लाइमस्टोन से क्या बन गया मार्बल। और हम लोगों को पता है कि जो ताजमहल जो बना हुआ है वो लाइमस्टोन मींस मार्बल से बना हुआ, व्हाइट मार्बल से बना हुआ है, जो कि लाइमस्टोन का ही वह चेंज हुआ रूप है। मींस दिस इज द न्यू लुक्स ऑफ द लाइमस्टोन। ओके, the features of the metamorphic rocks are they are very hard and the chemical composition is not changed because all the chemical composition of the igneous rock and sedimentary rocks are found in this rock. Okay, means this topic is finished. Rocks and minerals, rocks and their types are finished, and in the next video we will talk about the weathering. What is the weathering and how the soil is formed? We will talk in the next video.